Fuck.
So I was gonna say, I don't think anybody, because Community Link won't take. Cool. Look, get out. Go. Like, go. Get out of the.
What? Oh, there we go.
Yes, they're being waved on.
And they just reached the
for environmental review before rescinding Obama's policy. You see legal battles from this. Ultimately, the Supreme Court upholds the lower court's decision to block construction in the U.S. The company behind this, TC Energy, said it would reassess the project in the United States, though they still proceeded in Canada. Then, first day in Biden.
There was one school in particular in like Southern Virginia. I want to say 300, 400 people went there. So pretty small school, but they were consistently like dominant on the East Coast. I think it was Great Bridge.
Great Bridge was very good.
Yeah, Great Bridge. It was a tiny school, right? Whoa! Holy fuck!
Wait is over. Yes Network with the call. First action in more than 5 weeks. First dunk in more than 66 weeks. 466 days. Last dunk.
We know ourselves better than anybody, and you know, a lot of times in this league, there's so much talent buried on the bench.
Wow, that was fucking close.
Something is happening in here. Oh yeah, look at the white car.
Yeah, there are two of them together.
Obviously.
And he's a single driver. It's not like he's just pregnant. He's pregnant.
Oh, look at that. Okay, good. Let's film this.
Good. Good one.
I want to film this.
Be careful.
FJC 1377. Okay, good. I have it. See, she's provoking him. Look at that.
Oh.
Okay, check it out. again. Oh, good. Look at that.
Wow.
Holy mackerel. Hey.
Oh my God! Be careful, Ben. Why?
No, he's dangerous.
No,
This guy.
Careful, Ben. Why?
Yeah. No, this guy is very dangerous.
Yeah. Oh my God.
From one lane to another like this. Wow.
Yeah.
That's.
Do you have that on camera?